Today, let's look into leadership styles in Agile. Agile methodologies emphasize collaboration, adaptability, and self-organization. And to succeed in Agile environments, leaders must adopt styles that support these principles. So, let's dive into it right away to see the different leadership styles you can adopt as a leader in Agile environment. Number one is servant leadership. This focuses on removing obstacles and empowering the team. It promotes trust, collaboration, and autonomy. And it's highly effective in Agile as it aligns with self-organization. If you're a Scrum Master or an Agile delivery manager, you know that you're not just a leader, but you're a servant leader. You're there to remove obstacles, impediments, anything that is blocking your team from proceeding in their work. You're there to take them out. And how do you do that? By knowing the right key stakeholders that you need to collaborate with, communicate with, to help with removing all those impediments. Number two, transformational leadership. This inspires teams with a clear vision and drives change. It encourages innovation and continuous improvement, and this helps teams navigate uncertainty. Number three is situational leadership. This type of leadership adapts leadership styles based on the team's maturity and needs. It provides more guidance to new teams while empowering experienced ones. This type of leadership supports Agile in iterative nature. Number four, democratic leadership. This type of leadership values team inputs and shared decision making. It fosters engagement and creativity, and it also aligns with Agile, though it can be time consuming. Number five, autocratic leadership. This is a centralized control with minimal team inputs. It's less effective in Agile, to be honest, but it's useful in crises requiring quick decisions. So if you're working on a project and there's an issue, critical incident that you need to resolve as quickly as possible, maybe not resolving it or taking a decision immediately can impact the organization negatively. Then that's where the autocratic leadership style can come into play to enable you remove that critical incident before it gets worse. Number six, coaching leadership. This type of leadership focuses on team development and mentorship. It helps individuals grow, enhancing overall team performance. This aligns well with Agile's focus on continuous improvement. As an Agile delivery manager or a Scrum Master, I'm sure you already know that your role is not just about facilitating meetings. Your role should also be coaching and mentoring your team members. For example, if you come to a stand-up and you realize that something has gone wrong, the onus is on you as the other Agile delivery manager, the project manager, or a Scrum Master to note down what that problem is and then organize a retrospective meeting or a coaching section or a workshop for you to be able to address that by coaching your team members. Number seven, which is the last, laissez-faire leadership. This is a hands-off leadership approach, trusting teams to operate independently. This works well with experienced Agile teams, but it risks lack of direction with less mature ones. So in Agile leadership, I would say that there's no one size that fits all approach. The best leaders blend styles like servant and transformational leadership to adapt to their team's needs, fostering continuous improvement and collaboration in Agile environments. So you need to first of all understand your team perspective, so the nature of your team, before you know what approach you need to adopt. For example, like I mentioned initially, the autocratic leadership style can come into place if there's an incident that has taken place and needs to be addressed immediately to avoid negative impact within the company. Then that comes into play. So as a leader, you should know when to adopt each leadership style, and no size fits it all. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye-bye.